Mr. Speaker, sir, in spite of these measures at domestic level, Mauritius continued to be affected by external shocks. The continuous appreciation of the major foreign trading currencies, the shortage of raw material in certain cases, the longer maritime routes, the increase in freight and insurance have continuously impacted on our imports and have brought the importation costs to unprecedented heights. That has resulted into increases in the retail price of many products and commodities. All the projections and forecasts indicate that this situation may persist for some time more. Indeed, Mr. Speaker, sir, there is no visibility on when the situation could get better. Government has therefore considered it necessary to intervene to restore the purchasing power of consumers and protect them against any future upward movement of foreign exchange. Government has decided to bring the following products, which are essential ones and which are widely consumed by the whole population under price control. Canned fish, that is sardines and pilchards, canned tomatoes, cheese, edible oil, pulses, margarine, and milk powder. I am tabling the list of these 7 products and their indicative current and proposed price, as well as their current subsidy per unit. Under these 7 generic products, a total of 243 specific brands and trademarks are concerned. This measure will allow consumers to access and buy their products at almost the same price which was practiced in retail in January 2021. In addition, because of the uncertain future, government has decided to lock the new revised prices for a period of 6 months until the end of the year. Mr. Speaker, sir, while we do so and we protect the consumers, we need to make sure that importers, distributors, and retailers do not bear the brunt of that measure. Concerned as we are to strike a right balance between the importers and distributors on the one hand and the consumers on the other, government will provide a subsidy to the importers and distributors through the Mauritius Revenue Authority. The price control measure will cost around 500 million rupees and will be fully funded by government. Mr. Speaker, sir, as a responsible and caring government, we will not allow the population to suffer. We will always do what it takes in order to try to protect the consumers and the population at large. This is what we pledge to do, and this is what we are doing. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.